Introducing the Kohler Farmhouse Sink. Featuring a removable apron, the Taylor's unique design gives you the control to customize your kitchen with minimal effort and minimal cost. This animation is intended as a supplement. Refer to the installation guides packed with your product for detailed instructions, tools, and safety information for all aspects of this installation. Installing the insert of your choice is a simple and straightforward process. Get started by removing the carrier from the apron. This can be done before or after the sink is installed. Use the provided hex wrench to unthread the two bolts holding the carrier in place. Set the bolts, lock washers, and hex wrench in a safe place. You will need these to reinstall the carrier after the insert is attached. Kohler offers a variety of curated inserts that can be easily interchanged. Featuring sleek patterns, including graphics, etched stone, and carved stone, these prefabricated inserts install easily to the carrier with the provided mounting bolts. Custom inserts are also supported, allowing you to use stone, tile, and more for total freedom and creativity in creating a truly unique expression for your sink and kitchen. For tile inserts, the tile tray is required and can accommodate tile and backer material up to 1 1/8 inch thick. After the grout and adhesive have cured according to the manufacturer's instructions, the tile tray easily attaches to the carrier with the provided mounting hardware. If stone or another material is preferred, the Taylor apron can accommodate materials up to 1 3/16 inch thick. Beveling the edge of any stone insert is recommended for a clean, finished look. Use the provided template to install anchors in the proper locations. Kohler Company recommends selecting an experienced stone cutter to determine the appropriate mounting system for this application. For all inserts, make sure the carrier is properly centered on the insert before moving on. Make sure the protective strips are still in place. Then carefully lift the insert into the apron pocket. Slide the insert as far back into the pocket as it will go. There should be a slight recess from the front face of the apron. Visually center the insert left to right inside the pocket. Place a lock washer on one of the bolts. While applying pressure to the insert, slide the bolt through one of the holes in the bottom of the apron. Turn the bolt clockwise until the bolt engages the threads at the top of the pocket. Confirm that the insert is centered on all sides. If further adjustment is needed, you may have to remove the carrier from the apron and readjust the carrier before proceeding. Once the insert is centered, place a lock washer around the other bolt and tighten the bolt to secure the carrier. After one last check to confirm everything is straight, use the hex wrench to secure both bolts, then remove the protective strips from the apron.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.